Welcome back. On today's video, I will be doing a DIY Dermaplane facial at home. Had to get the vibes going with the spa music. Don't have a facial steamer, so I had to take it old school, y'all, with the hot water and the towel. It did the job though. Double cleansing with Neutrogena first, and then going in with the L'Oreal Glycolic Cleanser, just to make sure my skin is clean and pretty free of oils. I've dermaplaned my face before at home, and I've never used these type of razors before, but it was all they had at the store, so we shall see. It always feels so awkward doing this on yourself. I probably should have watched like a tutorial on the best angles, but I just winged it. And it actually, I think I did pretty good. I got a lot of hair off. My face looked real smooth. Got a lot of dead skin off. And I don't think I cut myself. No, I didn't cut myself either. So I would say it was successful. Another thing, every time I've done it in the past on myself, I always, I guess, shave downwards on my face. But I watched a couple of videos and they were saying you should go upwards because of something with like how the hair grows back or whatever. And then I thought about it, like when I go and get it done at the spa, they're going upwards too. So that made it extra awkward, but I wanted to get it as close as professional as possible. So I'm like, let me do it. Ooh, look at all of that. Ooh. See, that's why I said I think I did pretty good. That was a lot that needed to come off. Indeed. For those who are new to dermaplaning, um, I would say if you have a lot of peach fuzz on your face, um, try it out. I mean, it definitely makes your makeup go on so much smoother. It allows your skincare products to absorb deeper and penetrate deeper into the skin so they work better. Sometimes we have so much dead skin just layered up on our face that our moisturizers and things don't even really penetrate. And so you feel like you're putting on moisturizer all the time, but you're still dry. So I would suggest dermaplaning. Make sure you like go to a professional first, and then see what you think. I will say once you start, I feel like you got to continue to do it because you'll just notice how much better your face looks when you dermaplane it versus it not being dermaplane. Like you just start looking dull and like you could just totally tell the difference. So, and this is why I felt like the urge to just really do it at home since I couldn't go to the spa because I just felt like I was looking so dull and just raggedy in the face. But yeah, I would suggest going to a professional first and going a few times, really every time if you can. But it's not something to play with because I have cut my face up real bad before because I thought I knew what I was doing and I did not. So like I said, yes, go to a professional and then see what you think. But does the hair grow back thicker and darker? No, it doesn't. But I think you just happen to notice it when it does grow back because you were so used to seeing your face with it, and then you see your face without it, and then when it comes back, like you kind of notice it. So, and it does take it a while to like kind of get back to the point where you need to get dermaplaned again. Well, I guess it depends on how fast your hair grows back, but it usually takes me a while before I'm like, okay, I need to get back into the spa or I need to just do it myself. Yeah. So yeah. Once I got done with the dermaplane, just to make sure like my skin was clean and just to remove all that extra whatever that was left, I took a Neutrogena like mild, gentle facial bar soap and washed my face with that. I thought I was going to do the bentonite clay mask, but I don't know what I was thinking. That would have just been too much and too rough. And all the videos I saw of on YouTube of the other girls doing them, they always followed up with some type of soothing jelly mask. So that's what I did. I went in with that Truly Hemp leave-on jelly mask. I put that on first, and then I put the sheet mask over top of it. And it just felt so good. It was so cooling and felt really, really nice and soothing. And I left it on for about 10 minutes. And then I used a warm towel, kind of like how they do at the spa. They put that warm towel around your face. I used that to kind of wipe off the product. And then I went in with my L'Oreal Hyaluronic Acid Serum, and these ice globe thingies, facial massager thingies. I don't know. These, oh my god, this felt so amazing. Like, I literally could have just did this all day. Like, it just felt so good. It was so cooling, and oh, it felt so nice. I would definitely suggest y'all investing in these. I just keep them in the refrigerator, not the freezer. Keep them in the refrigerator. And yeah, you're supposed to just kind of rub your skincare in with it. It helps with like inflammation and just, I don't really know. I'm probably not even doing the right type of motion or pattern. I don't know. I need to look into that too. But I remember something about pushing, like moving towards the lymph nodes or something like that. I don't know. I really need to do my research, but it just felt really, really good. And it's supposed to help, like, depuff the face and, I don't know, be real soothing, which it was. And then I followed up with my La Roche Posay moisturizer. And then I just put a little bit of, oh yeah, my eye cream, this peach and lily cream. I really don't even know if this is an eye cream. I don't think it is. I think it's a sample size moisturizer that I just been using as an eye cream. But I like it, so I'm gonna keep using it. And then I put some coconut oil on my lips, and that was it. So this is the final look. Beware when you do go to the spa. After, your skin be looking tore up, but a couple days later, you're gonna be glowing and looking right. So thanks for watching. Bye. Oh yeah, don't forget to subscribe.